Today we are making delicious peach sauce. Easy, healthy recipe and no sugar. It's delicious over waffles, French toast, pancakes, peanut butter toast, and a peanut butter sandwich. Try it, you're gonna love it. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making delicious peach sauce. This is an easy, healthy recipe. My family loves it. They love it when I keep a batch of this in the fridge. They can just grab it and put it over waffles, French toast. One thing that they really like is toast with peanut butter and then some peach sauce. It is so delicious. That's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. There's lots of other possibilities too. The ingredients in this recipe are peaches, you could have fresh or frozen, apple juice concentrate, no sugar added, water, cornstarch, almond extract, and that's it. The first thing that we want to do is put our peaches. We got 5 to 6 cups of sliced peaches. You could also use diced peaches. Put it in a large pot. And a 12-ounce can of apple juice concentrate. And 1 cup of water. So we're going to turn your heat to high. We're going to bring it to a boil. Stir it occasionally. So our peach sauce has come to a boil. I've been stirring it occasionally. I'm going to reduce the heat to a simmer, and we're going to simmer it for about 5 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it and make sure it stays at a simmer. While it's simmering, we'll go ahead and make our cornstarch mixture. We have half a cup of water, a third a cup of cornstarch, and luckily this is non-GMO. Just mix it together. Stir it together till the cornstarch is dissolved. Okay, so we'll just set this aside and keep an eye on our peaches. So our peach sauce has simmered about 5 minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat, just turn off the heat. Next I'm going to give my cornstarch mixture another stir, and then I'm going to slowly stir it in. You can see it's already getting thicker. I'm going to bring it back to a boil. Okay, it came to a boil quickly. I'm going to reduce the heat to a simmer. I'm going to simmer it until it's as thick as I want it. It's almost there, but I need to add my almond extract. So a quarter to a half teaspoon of almond extract. I'll put almost a half. It tastes really good. Just stir that in. It smells amazing. I'll keep stirring it occasionally until it's as thick as I want. I think it's thick enough, and as it cools, it's going to get even thicker. So I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to let it cool a bit, and then I'm going to try it. Okay, the peach sauce has cooled a bit. It is still warm. It will continue to thicken upon cooling, but it's delicious warm or hot too. So I'm going to try some on pancakes. It's great on French toast, waffles, peanut butter toast. It's like a dessert. I'm ready to try. It smells so good. So good, it melts in your mouth. So delicious. Try it, you're going to love it. See you in the next lesson.